Just no good at homework.
I can see.
Besides, what do you care, Englishman?
Hey, all the horses untethered?
Think so?
Good. They should follow on behind us.
You find a good spot, Wolfman?
Yeah,
You're gonna get us killed.
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest. There's a spot that's remote, but should still give them enough time to spot the oil wagon.
They see this blocking the tracks, they'll stop soon enough.
The wagon can't take this.
Apparently, picks up a new team of guards at the state line, so shouldn't be too much in the way of guns to deal with.
Slow down. See, this is what I mean. I disappear for a couple of weeks and you cut me out of all the action.
They're left here, towards Rhodes.
Going too fast.
Just the action that requires a brain.
You're a funny feller, John Marston. And my folks say, you had your feet up the whole time, playing sick, and fondling that new scar like you're gonna buy a breakfast in the morning.
You don't know what you're talking about. Let's try and get there in one piece.
Stay close on this. Wouldn't want you getting scratched by a squirrel or something. That could put you out of commission for the rest of the year.
Why do you have to speak so much? It's incessant.
Plus, I've still got some blood in me veins. You old bastards have forgotten how to live.
I blame you two for rescuing him.
Far too much trouble for what we got out of it.
Yeah, takes a whole army of bounty hunters to bring in Sean McGuire. And look at me now, in the gunner seat. Back in business, boys.
Here's good. Stop the wagon over the tracks. Remember, these are innocent folks. We handle this...
What's going on here? What's going on?
Nothing good.
Hey! Bastard! All yours, Captain. Go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm and nobody gets shot.
Do it.
Go! Everything you got. Money, valuables. There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
I ain't got nothing.
You want to have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here?
Please don't help me.
Money, valuables,
Don't do this. Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Okay. Come on. Okay. In the bag,
God
everything
damn
you
it.
got. Keep it coming. Don't be shy.
People like you make me sick.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
I wanna... God damn it. Sick is better than dead, lady. I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says so this can be... Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Good job. Tough guy, huh? You sure about that?
Quick, come on!
Please don't help me.
Everything you got. Money, valuables. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend then.
Put it now! Son of a bitch.
Come on, cup it up, people. Don't be shy. Everything you got. Let's go.
I am advanced
I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay. What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taking a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
For fuck's sake! Come on, get up here, shit. Get up!
This time.
Arthur, we got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we'll fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
Men, come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now!
There's only 2 of you fools!
Last chance. Drop your weapon. There they are.
Shit, we got more on the left. Smoke coming through the trees, you see him?
Behind us! We got more of the bastards riding in! Come on, boys, let's get the hell out of here!
That's fun, girl. Yeah, let's go. Stay with me.
You're all right.
Okay, girl. Easy, girl. Yeah, you're all right, girl. Yeah.
Easy now.
Now, come on. There we go. There, girl. Whoa!
Whoa! Ho, ho! That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
Yeah.
We still